Put the battery into the charging compartment. The device will power on successfully. Once the power cord is connected, turn the remote controller over. Insert two AA batteries. Put the battery cover on. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Simultaneously push both joysticks to the bottom right for calibration. Perform an outer 8 maneuver to unlock. Push the throttle down to lock. The computer can access the Microsoft Store. Search for Red Dragonfly 90秒. Download it and then open it for use. The mobile phone can scan the QR code through the browser to download it. Open the app. After turning on the aircraft, select the device to connect. Control interface. You can operate the flight using the drone. This is the function introduction for your reference. After returning, select the programming interface. You can achieve flight operations based on instructions through the programming module. Here I'll write a small program for demonstration purposes. You can save the program in the upper right corner. You can load it when needed. Now I'll show you the flight program demonstration. Pick up the aircraft and break it open one by one from the support points of the protective cover. Take out the protective cover. Pay attention to the direction of the propeller blades. Pick up the aircraft and pry it open one by one from the support points of the protective cover. Then replace it with a new propeller blade. Do an outer 8 movement to unlock. Push the throttle up to take off. Fly forward. Fly backward. Fly to the left. Fly to the right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn on the headless mode. Press and hold the roll button while pressing the direction button to perform a roll maneuver. Push the throttle down to land. After turning on the gravity sensor, the mobile phone will fly according to its own balance. After turning on the headless mode, it will automatically lock the initial direction. Turning will not change the flight direction.